Hello Spark learners, welcome back to the 4 Sparks, where English meets Kannada in the easiest way. Do you want to speak smarter English? Today, we'll learn how to change basic English phrases into advanced English phrases with Kannada meaning. Let's begin. Now friends, let's learn some daily expressions in English. I'll show you the basic way and then an advanced way to say the same thing. So you can repeat after me. Phrase 1. Basic. I'm very tired. In Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Now the advanced way. I'm exhausted. Can you say it with me? I'm exhausted. Phrase 2. Basic. I'm very hungry. In Kannada, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಸಿವು. Advanced way. I'm starving. Say it with me. I'm starving. Super. See how easy it is when you use advanced words. Your English sounds more natural. Let's learn the next one. Basic. I don't know. In Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. The advanced way. I have no idea. Repeat with me. I have no idea. Here's another. Basic. It is very cold. In Kannada, ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿ ಇದೆ. Advanced. It is freezing. Say it with me. It is freezing. And now, basic. I'm very busy. Kannada, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ busy. Advanced way. I am swamped. Let's repeat together. I am swamped. Now friends, let's move to emotions and feelings. We'll see how to express happiness, anger, fear and sadness in both basic and advanced English. Ready? Let's go. Phrase 6. Basic. I'm very happy. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. Advanced. I'm delighted. Or you can also say I'm thrilled. Repeat after me. I'm delighted. I'm thrilled. Next, basic. I'm very angry. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಕೋಪಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. The advanced way. I'm furious. Say it with me. I'm furious. Phrase 8. Basic. I'm very scared. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೆದರಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Advanced. I'm terrified. Repeat with me. I'm terrified. Next. Basic. I'm very sad. ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ದುಃಖವಾಗಿದೆ. Advanced. I'm devastated. Let's say it together. I'm devastated. Phrase 10. Basic. I'm very surprised. ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. The advanced way. I'm astonished. Or you can say I'm amazed. Repeat with me. I'm astonished. I'm amazed. Next one. Basic. I'm very sure. ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. Advanced way. I am certain. Say it with me. I am certain. Finally, here's a polite one. Basic. I am very sorry. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. In advance. I sincerely apologize. Let's repeat. I sincerely apologize. Great job. Emotions are powerful and now you know how to express them in both simple and advanced English. Keep repeating these phrases and soon you'll speak with more confidence. Now friends, let's learn how to describe things and ourselves in a smarter way. These phrases will make your English sound stronger and more natural. Phrase 13. Basic. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವೇ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೂಷಿಯಲ್ or this is vital. Say it together. This is crucial. This is vital. Next, basic. I am very clever. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಚತುರ. Advanced, I am brilliant. Repeat with me. I am brilliant. Let's describe size. Basic, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನು. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೈನಿ ಆರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪಟೀಟ್. ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೈನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪಟೀಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡವನು. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎನಾರ್ಮಸ್ ಆರ್ I am huge. Repeat after me. I am enormous. I am huge. Another feeling. Basic. I am very thirsty. Kannada, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ. Advanced way. I am parched. Say it with me. I am parched. Next, basic. I am very clean. ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೆಸ್. ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೆಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಡರ್ಟಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಕೊಳಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ದಿ. ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ದಿ. Now friends, let's learn some polite and smart phrases. These words make you sound more refined and confident in English. Phrase 21. Basic. I'm very lucky. Kannada, ನಾನು ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತ. Advanced. I'm fortunate. Or you can say I'm blessed. Repeat with me. I'm fortunate. I'm blessed. Phrase 22. Basic. I am very weak. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ದುರ್ಬಲ. Advanced. I am fragile or I am feeble. Say it with me. I am fragile. I am feeble. Now, basic. I am very rich. ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ. Advanced. I am wealthy or I am well off. Repeat after me. I am wealthy. I am well off. Now opposite one. Basic. I am very poor. Kannada, ನಾನು ಬಡವ. Advanced. I am needy or I am underprivileged. Say it with me. I am needy. I am underprivileged. And the last one in this section, basic. I am very fast. Kannada, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ವೇಗ. Advanced. I am rapid or I am swift. Repeat together. I am rapid. I am swift. Speaking basic English is good, but using advanced English makes you more confident. In this video, you have learned how to upgrade your sentences easily.